You know this ain't no monkey business. The way you run around, hardly standing still. Slow down, relax, and take it easy. It'll be good for your soul, just cool down and chill. But you always seem so determined. You already made up your mind. So go for your goals as you've been planning. Go for your goals, see what you find. You know this ain't no monkey business. The way you've been acting, behaving out of control. Be kind, smile and be friendly. It'll be good for your soul and you might reach your goal. But you always been so determined. You already made up your mind. So go for your goals as you've been planning. Go for your goals, see what you find. You know this ain't no monkey business. All the friends you're hurting, making them feel the pain. Step up, take control of your life. Start some friendship, but don't be so vain. Time is running fast, you cannot look back. Today will be soon part of the past. So go for your goal as you've been screaming. Go for your goal and in the blast. You know this ain't no monkey business. But all the mess you leave behind, a lot of sadness and sorrow. Clear up your act and live as if you'd have tomorrow. But time is running fast and you cannot look back. Today will be soon part of the past. So go for your goal as you've been screaming. Go for your goal and in the blast. You know this ain't no monkey business. The way you run around, hard standing still. Slow down, relax and take it easy. It'll be good for your soul, girl.